Hello guys, today I want to quickly show you an example of pipelines in Laravel, a pattern that is not talked about much, but it's sometimes very useful. And while reviewing the project code from one of Laravel Daily Premium members, I noticed this, API pipeline, and I wondered what that is, and this is exactly what I want to show you as a good example. At first it felt like over-engineering to me, but the more I dug deeper, the more it made sense. But we can discuss as usual in the comments below. So let me show you. So imagine you have some kind of parameters of payload, kind of input to set of jobs to transform something, some data. And that transformation happens in a few steps. So pipeline pipes. So in a way, it's kind of a chain of jobs, but with specific structure. So let me show you. This pipeline is a class which is initialized in the service, and this is what it looks like. In this case, this project extends even base pipeline for future pipeline usage, and we'll get to that in a minute, but for now I want to show you this. So this is exactly what I meant. Pipeline is a set of steps, and each step is defined by its own class. Some classes require the parameter, others don't, and inside of each of the steps we can see something like this. The method execute, this is why it's kind of similar to a job, but look what happens here. We have the payload, and then when something is done inside of that step, we return array merge, which is exactly the point of pipeline. On each step, the payload gets additional data, like for example, league results in this case. Then if we look at the second step, playoff results step, same probably pattern, so execute, then we have the same payload as parameter. So payload is the same input passed in all the steps, but then in addition to that we have another thing merged into array. But then this is where that pipeline gets interesting. I kind of agreed on the first two steps, so kind of formulating the array, but then a few more steps, separate steps of merging results and formatting results. So merging result is just league results and playoff results merged together as merged results. Then the fourth step is format results, which looks like this. That merged results is going through match result resource, which is kind of API resource, but used outside of API. So we have formatted result from this step. And then we have two steps for inserting data to where. So this is the step called insert club step. Execute calls the service method to insert clubs from formatted results, and that insert clubs, I guess it's doing database operation. So insert or update actually goes to eloquent operation. So that was step number 5, and then step number 6 is also about inserting results. In execute method of that, we see formatted results also used in another method of another service, result service, insert results, which is collection, process match result, which is probably another eloquent operation set, quite complex logic, but then at the end, insert this, insert that, so a lot of database operations. And then after that step is finished, the result of that step is actually this, array merged, result inserted, true. So at the end of this, that whole thing returns the initial payload, which is passed from the initial service, execute, and this is where we get to the base pipeline. So each pipeline assumes, and there's also pipeline interface, so in a way it is over-engineering in my opinion, but anyway, here's the general pattern of any pipeline feature in this project. There's execute, payload is array, and the result is also array. And then inside we have for each step, then some logging, some calculation, and then at the end we return kind of the same payload, same but different, with additional information. How many steps, how many successful, total, and this becomes pipeline summary. But then in the middle of that for each loop, for each of the steps, we have step process with step result as the result of that specific pipe step, and then current payload is updated with that. And then that initial service that called pipeline execute is doing that inside of transaction. So this, as you saw, contains some database operations, and then we have database commit and some logging, and then it's all within try catch. And within logging the information, you can see that clubs inserted and results inserted are part of what is coming into the log. So yeah, when I saw this example, I'm not sure. In a way, it is over-engineering, and it's probably possible to do that in a simple way with some kind of for each step-by-step or queued job, for example, but maybe the goal is to preserve the original array structure and then going through pipelines, adding more information to that pipeline with unified interface, unified logging for whatever pipeline comes in the future. So yeah, I went through the code to show the separate parts of that idea. What do you guys think? Have you used pipeline in your Laravel project, that pattern, or maybe you're planning to, or maybe you see the specific cases where it would be useful for your projects? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.